Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.8 D-4D engine, officially known as the 1GD FDV, is a crucial part of Toyota's modern global diesel GD engine series. Introduced around 2015, it replaced the older 3.0-liter 1KD FDV and quickly became the primary diesel power plant for many of Toyota's popular SUVs, pickups, and commercial vehicles. It represents a significant leap forward in terms of efficiency, power, and emissions control compared to its predecessors. History and versions. Introduction. The 1GD FDV debuted in 2015 alongside the 2GD FDV 2.4L as part of Toyota's new GD engine family. It was designed to offer improved performance, fuel efficiency, and meet stricter emission standards, Euro 5/6, compared to the outgoing KD series. Engine family. GD stands for Global Diesel, emphasizing its widespread use. It incorporates economy with superior thermal efficient combustion, STEC technology, aiming for higher thermal efficiency. Configuration. It's an inline 4-cylinder, 16-valve DOHC, double overhead camshaft engine. Displacement. 2.8 liters, 2,755 cubic centimeters. Turbocharger. Equipped with a variable nozzle turbocharger, VNT or VGT, with an electric actuator and intercooling for optimal boost pressure across a wide RPM range. This allows for improved low-speed torque and acceleration response. Fuel system. Common rail direct injection. Applications. It is widely used across Toyota's 4x4 and commercial vehicle lineup. Toyota Hilux, 8th generation, Gun 126. Toyota Fortuner, 2nd generation, Gun 156. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, GDJ 150. Toyota Hiace, GDH 300 series. Power and torque variations. While the base engine is the same, power and torque outputs can vary slightly depending on the specific vehicle model, year, market, and transmission, manual versus automatic. Initial versions approximate 2015 to 2020 around 130 kilowatts, 174 horsepower, 177 PS, at 3,400 RPM and 420 to 450 Nm, 310 to 332 lb-ft of torque. Updated versions from mid-2020 onwards saw an increase to around 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower, 204 PS, at 3,000 to 3,400 RPM and 500 Nm, 369 lb-ft of torque at 1,600 to 2,800 RPM with automatic transmission. Manual versions usually retain lower torque like 420 Nm. This update also included improvements to fuel efficiency and DPF control. Review and opinions. The 1GD FDV has generally been well received, especially after initial teething issues were addressed. Performance. Praised for its strong low-end torque, making it excellent for towing, off-roading, and general everyday driving. The updated 200-plus HP version significantly boosts performance. Refinement. Compared to the older 1KD FDV, it's notably quieter and smoother, reducing noise and vibration inside the cabin. Fuel efficiency. A significant improvement over its 3.0L predecessor, offering better economy for a vehicle of its size and capability. Durability. It maintains Toyota's reputation for robustness, built with a steel crankshaft, aluminum alloy bearings, and fiber-reinforced metal top ring grooves. However, some opinions highlight complexity. Being a modern diesel, it's more complex than older mechanical diesels due to its advanced emission systems. Early issues. Some early production models faced notable issues, which have largely been addressed by Toyota through revisions and warranty work. Advantages. Strong power and torque, especially the updated 200-plus HP version, providing excellent capability for demanding tasks. Improved fuel economy. Better efficiency compared to previous 3.0L diesels. Refined operation. Quieter and smoother, enhancing the driving experience. Modern emissions compliance. Equipped with diesel particulate filter, DPF, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, using AdBlue/DEF, meeting Euro 5 and 6 standards. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain, which is designed for the life of the engine, reducing maintenance costs compared to timing belts. Water-cooled turbocharger. Helps manage turbo temperatures, potentially extending its life. Disadvantages. Complexity of emission systems. The DPF and SCR systems require specific maintenance, e.g., proper DPF regeneration, and can be a source of issues if not managed correctly. AdBlue consumption adds to running costs and requires refilling. Sensitivity to fuel quality. Highly susceptible to contaminated or poor quality diesel, which can damage expensive common rail components like injectors and the high-pressure pump. Initial issues. Camshaft, DPF early models pre-mid 2020 were known for certain issues. See faults and breakdowns below. While Toyota has addressed these, potential buyers should be aware of vehicles from those production years. Potential for oil consumption. Some reports, particularly from earlier models, indicated higher than expected oil consumption. Faults and breakdowns. The 1GD FTEV, particularly in its initial years, roughly 2015 to 2020 models, has experienced some specific issues. Diesel particulate filter, DPF, problems. This is the most widely discussed issue. Frequent short-trip driving, incomplete regeneration cycles, or faulty sensors can lead to DPF clogging, illuminated warning lights, reduced power, limp mode, and increased fuel consumption. Toyota has released numerous software updates and, for models from July 2020 onwards, introduced hardware revisions to improve DPF reliability and regeneration. Camshaft wear/failure. A significant issue identified in some early 1GD FTV engines, primarily Hilux, Fortuner Prado up to 2020. Excessive wear on intake and exhaust camshaft lobes due to manufacturing defects led to noise and potential engine damage. Toyota has issued a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, and offers superseded, revised camshaft part numbers to rectify this problem, often covered under warranty. Timing chain rattle. Cold start. Some owners have reported a rattling noise from the timing chain, especially on cold starts. While often described as just a rattle and not always leading to immediate failure, some vehicles, including post-2021 models, have had the timing chain assembly replaced under warranty. Toyota has reportedly introduced a revised chain design. Fuel injector failures. While common rail injectors can be sensitive to poor fuel quality in any modern diesel, some instances of injector wear or failure have been reported. This can lead to rough idle, misfires, smoke, and poor fuel economy. Exhaust manifold gasket issues. Heat cycling can lead to warping of the exhaust manifold or failure of its gasket, causing exhaust leaks and a ticking noise. Oil leaks. Occasional reports of minor oil leaks, such as between the engine and gearbox seals or from the turbocharger, particularly in higher mileage vehicles. Fuel consumption. The 1GD FTEV offers competitive fuel economy for its class and power output. Official figures WLTP combined cycle often in the range of 7.5 to 9.0 L/100 km. Real-world driving varies significantly with vehicle, driving style, load, and terrain. Owners typically report highway driving, August 5th, 10 L/100 km, 23.5 to 27.6 mpg US. Combined/urban driving, September 5th, 12 L/100 km, 19.6 to 24.8 mpg US. Heavily loaded vehicles, those with larger tires, or used for demanding off-roading, will consume more. Timing. The Toyota 1GD FTEV engine uses a timing chain to drive its camshafts. This is a design choice that generally means the timing system is intended to last the life of the engine, without requiring periodic replacement like a timing belt. While timing chain issues, like the rattle mentioned above, have been reported in some units, the overall design aims for lower maintenance and higher durability in this area. Oil type. As a modern common rail diesel with a DPF and SCR, the 1GD FTV strictly requires low ash, low SAPs, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, synthetic diesel engine oil. Look for specifications such as ACEA C2 or C3. Using incorrect oil can damage the DPF and catalytic converter. Viscosity. Common recommended viscosities include SAE 0W, 30, or 5W30. Some markets or specific applications might also list 0W, 20, or 5W40. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommended oil specifications, as these can vary slightly. Oil capacity. The engine oil capacity is typically around 7.1 to 7.7 liters, including the filter. Again, refer to your owner's manual for the exact figure. Change interval. Toyota generally recommends oil changes every 10,000 kilometers, approximate 6,000 miles, or 12 months, whichever comes first. However, for vehicles frequently used for heavy towing, in very dusty conditions, or for short city trips, which impede DPF regeneration, shorter intervals, e.g., 5,000 kilometers or 6 months, are often advisable to maintain optimal engine and DPF health. Summary. The Toyota 2.8D 4D1GD FTEV is a powerful, efficient, and generally reliable modern diesel engine. It delivers strong performance suitable for heavy-duty applications while significantly improving fuel economy and emissions over its predecessors. While early models face some specific challenges, Toyota has largely addressed these through technical bulletins, software updates, and revised components. Proper maintenance, adherence to oil specifications, and awareness of DPF regeneration requirements are key to ensuring its long-term reliability and performance. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.